Hey buddies, I'm here again to introduce you this model of Junko again. This model is called MC100. This MC100 is a very classical model. It has been populated in the European, the South America, all the market for years. And Junko MC100 is certificated by TUV. You will be surprised to see its quality. Now I will introduce you to all these details of this machine. Okay. Firstly, let's focus on the chassis. The chassis of this machine is very solid. It's all steel forged, welded, and there's very special features. It has a heavy-duty caster, and this heavy-duty caster can allow you to move around easily. You don't need to pull up this machine because it's like 180 kilograms. It's quite heavy, but with this caster, you don't need to pull it out. So this is a very big, nice, good design. And this chassis is like 80 centimeter wide, and this wide can allow you to pass very narrow path easily. You can move this machine easily around your garden or your backyard. And this unit is powered by different engines, like diesel, gasoline, electric motor. We also have a PTO type, so that by tractor also. So we have 4 models of MC100. You can use and you can choose according to your need. This one is a Honda engine. This is a real one, not fake one. This is a real Honda. But North America, Australia, and Japan, EU, and these 4 areas are not allowed. Okay. Now next one is I want to introduce you to like this bearings and also rotor with 2 blades and also end wheel. So this part is a chip system. We have a 2 years warranty for this chip system. If you have any problem with the bearings or the drums or the, we will give you free spare parts for replacement within 2 years, like 2 years warranty. If this machine is used for semi-commercial use, you have 2 years warranty for this chip system. But if this machine is used for home use, you will have like 3 years. So it's solid and qualified. Don't worry about that. If you come over here, I can introduce you this big hopper. This nice hopper, we call it a tray type hopper because you have a tray here. This design can allow you to put the material here, squeeze the material, and fit the material into the hopper very easily. When the material touches the blade will drag the material into the chip system very easy and quickly, automatically of course. And this molded rubber, weatherproofed, we call it a flap, safety flap, to protect your face from flying debris. Look at the jungle, yeah. And there's a very facial part I want to introduce you is this model. You have 2 output, higher output, lower output. With this higher output, you can collect your material into your trucks easily. And with this lower output, you can use this chipper to chip the material like wet with the very moisture material, all the green things like cabbages, eggplants, corn stalks, beans, all those things. You can chip it, and those material can be thrown out of this output and then a pile here. So if you want me to give this unit a better name, I would call it like compo wood chipper, or not just wood chipper. We just get like mulcher or something, because you can use this machine to chip brown cheese. You can also use this machine to chip cabbages, to chip all the green waste from your yard, from your garden, yeah, from a little farm. So all this material can be chipped and piled and composted. So it's easy, and it's very useful, and it's multi-functions. So we call it chipper. If you have any questions of this unit, this classical unit with more functions, you can just follow me and give me questions below, and I will come back to you with detailed answers. Yeah, take use of the green waste from the nature is obligation for everyone. It's good for the human being. This is a very good idea, not only for the Western world but also for the Eastern world. So I would say, use it, recycle it. Yeah. Thank you. I will be here always with you. Thank you.